$20 million. Turning now to the forecast as we take this live look over Southfield. Looking calm out there right now, but here alongside 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel, tracking not only the massive warm up that's going to be underway, but also severe weather this afternoon.
Yes, we have the potential as we get into the late afternoon and evening hours. There's a cold front coming through. So the warm front brought us a few showers, even a heavier downpour this morning. That is subsiding. We're dealing with a little bit of cloud cover as a result, but it is hotter, more humid, and temperatures pushing 90 today. If we hit 90, it's a little early. June 18th is typically when we experience our first 90-degree day, so maybe just a little bit early. And then our severe weather threat. The severe weather threat, not the rain threat, but the chance for some stronger storms between about 3 and 10 p.m. as we head into tonight. And then we are looking at some of the hottest temperatures yet to come next week. So 81 degrees in Ann Arbor, also in Pontiac. It is 82 in Detroit and 84 degrees in Mount Clemens. Some areas seeing a little more cloud cover where, again, fizzling showers and a few thunderstorms that began on the west side of the state tried to make the journey over, but temperatures are in the low 80s right now. We're beginning to see a climb in dew points. So dew points into the 60s. It feels humid, so we're starting to approach that humid to muggy mark. Certainly seeing that in Lansing, Ann Arbor at 65 with a dew point, low 60s right now in Detroit. We're also experiencing those winds gusting of 25 up in Flint, 23 in Pontiac, and a 22-mile-per-hour wind gust right now in Monroe. As we look at our day today, winds about 15 to 25, and then we'll see those gusts up to 30 to maybe even 35 miles per hour at times. We are in the slight risk for severe weather, so I talked about that. Again, the showers that we had this morning beginning to fizzle out, but the opportunity for more to develop. Peak heating of the day. We get that convective feel to the air and the cold front. So we have the boundary that will allow that to happen. So everyone in the slight risk, the exception down toward Monroe, just a very slight sliver in the corner of Monroe County, expanding the view out, an enhanced risk even back into areas like Illinois, back into southern Iowa, northern Missouri as the cold front marches off to the east. We'll be watching it closely. Looking at our hour-by-hour forecast, and you notice how these storms just start to develop too. I'd say 3 o'clock on. Again, I'm using that time frame for at least the start of it. If these come together, multicellular, try to come together in a line, it would be more toward the evening hours, likely after 5, when we see it develop along the cold front. Some very heavy downpours, but also we're looking at that opportunity for, again, damaging wind gusts, hail as a secondary threat. Can't rule out even a quick spin-up tornado, something we'll be watching. We start to notice the tail end of it. Really, the severe threat winds down pretty quickly after about 8 or 9 o'clock, but still going to keep that opportunity going just to be safe until 10. Notice a few more redeveloping storms along that front. And then once it moves through, we get some relief, certainly a drop in some of the humidity a little bit, but a drop in temperatures too. And it looks like a nice start at least to Father's Day weekend. So again, just to go over those storm threats, we're looking at low threat for a tornado, but higher for winds. And also we're looking at that higher threat again for hail as well. Temperatures near 90 degrees today. And we're still going to keep the heat going into next week. We get a little break Friday and Saturday. Way up on Sunday, 87 for Father's Day, but dry, so you can celebrate Dad outdoors. And then Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, heat and humidity. Keep in mind the chance for a shower or storm, it looks slight. It's just like if you think of areas like Florida, you get that quick afternoon shot of rain or a quick moving thunderstorm. That's kind of what we're facing next week, but also keep in mind temperatures in the 90s. Some of those heat indices will be approaching 100, and it's a cumulative heat. So each day, of course, it's going to get a little harder to deal with, and it looks like those 90 plus continue through next week.
Yikes, Hallie.